Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Ethel Alier guys. Ayan, nagalaw shout out everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
So, ayan. I am so done with my sweating thing. And katatapos lang natin mag-Zumba at home. Home workout dance fitness, Zumba dance fitness, guys. So, as you can see, marami po tayong pawis and ilang burn of calories na ba tayo, guys? If you have diba, ang 30, almost 5 minutes po tayo, ilang calories po ng burn natin? 0 calories. 1,334 steps pa lang tayo. So, sa ating mga green old age po, sa ating mga lola't lolo, mama't papa, nanay, tatay, is pag can afford po kayong bumili nito, is maganda po ito sa kanila kasi ano po yung monitor po yung kanilang heartbeat. Ayan, mataas po yung heartbeat natin. 102 kasi nag-exercise tayo. And then also, pagka naglakad sila, you can use also yung steps po. How many steps po? Pag walking po sila, pagka medyo may edad na po, is okay na po yung 4,000 to 4,500 steps a day. But then, if you're younger, is need po natin yung 10,000 steps or more kasi nakakaganda po yan dito sa ating cardio, sa ating mga puso. And of course, nagsusweat po tayo. Lumalabas po yung bad toxins ng ating katawan. Yung mga nire-release po niya, yung mga magpiperspire po tayo and nilalabas niya po yung mga masasamang elemento dyan sa ating katawan. So, what can afford po kayo, you can buy them like this. Ito, ligay lang po to sa akin. Maganda po yan sa kanila to monitor their BP and of course yung steps nila, and then marami po kung gusto nilang malaman din po yung calories burn every day is nandito po so much. So it's all up to you ano pong brand ang gusto nyo, but then marami po yan siyang mga smartwatches available in the mall, in the store. So ayan, so done na po tayo, naka 5 minutes po tayo ng Zumba dance fitness at home. No equipment needed, just dance and with the workouts, of course. Kasamahan po natin ng workout yan para mas maganda at hindi po kayo naiinip at home, diba? Hindi po kayo naiinip kasi once na naiinip kayo working out, guys, is nawawalan po kayo ng gana. But then don't worry, guys, if you're just alone, dancing, working out, exercise at home, i-feel nyo lang po na you have your audience and you guys are the audience. I-feel nyo po lagi na Araneta, I am facing Araneta, ganon po yung i-feel nyo. Huwag po lagi nyo i-feel na kasi malungkot naman na sa bahay. No, it's not happy working out at home and then exercising at home. It's not that happy. No, it's all up to you guys kasi pag mahal nyo po yung sarili nyo, you make a way, maghahanap po talaga kayo ng paraan to feel better, to be slim, to be fit, and to be well as always, diba? Tama ba yun, guys? So, there's always a way, guys, to be fit. There's always a way, and hanapan niyo po ng paraan para po magiging healthy kayo. Kasi sweating out, guys, if you sweat, if you perspire, it really helps a lot. Nakakabata pati po. Looking young if you sweat. Sikreto po yan, guys. Sikreto malupit po yan, guys. Sweating is kasi nakakabata po yan. Wala pong excuse me, wala pong nag-i-engage ng any activities na hindi looking young. Lagi po yan na wala pong nag-i-engage sa sports or any activity na tumatanda. Looking young po kasi pagka lumabas po yung sweat at yan po ang bibigay na looking young and feeling good and physically fit kasi maganda po yung nakukuha natin if we sweat, especially pag marami. And of course, diba, pagka tapos yung mag-sweat, may tip po ako sa inyo, guys. When I was into running, I'm so active in running, guys, the best way to eat is after running, after mag-workout, saka po masarap kumain. And hindi po kayo tataba doon kasi nagbo-burn po siya. Pero huwag naman po masyadong yung binurn niyo po is so little and then yung kinain niyo is over. Hindi po. Kailangan po, tama lang. Take it slow and yung just right po. Just right po. Ano po yung burn yung calories? Halimbawa, you burn 5,000 calories. So, it's okay for you pero to eat more but then not that too much. Hindi po sobra-sobra. Yung tama lang po sa na-burn nyo po, sa nasunog nyo ng mga calories during the day. Diba? So, if you can do 150 minutes a day, then go. If you cannot do it 150 minutes a day, then do it. Siguro, i-divide nyo po yan for 7 weeks to make it 150. Diba? So, yan. So, that's it for today, guys. Kukuda na naman tayo. Ayan, nag-sweat na naman tayo kasi my day is lacking without sweating. Tandaan niyo po. Ang sarap pong kumain, guys, pag ninapawisan at nag-burn ang calories. Kasi nag-ano po yung digestive system natin, di ba? Ayun na. Ang ating digestive system.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1! 3, 2, 1! 3, 2, 1!
Way and the fastest way na mag-burn po na yung kinain niyo po ay mabilis lang ma-digest is of course after sweating, after engaging into sports, yun po yung the best kasi parang mabilis po yun siyang mag-grind and all. So doon po pumapasok yung hindi po kayo tatapa kahit na kumain po. But again, not too much kasi too much, guys, is not good in our body. So that's it for today, guys, and make a shout out po to all my subscribers, to all my followers, to all my silent viewers, new subscribers, to all the socials who hugged and embraced me, and to all the teams who hugged and embraced Ethel Alira. Thank you, guys, and mega loud shout out, and to all the OFWs, foreign friends, ang ating mga friends, lalo na po sa US, United States of America, guys. Thank you for the love and support kasi isa po kayo sa nangunguna in my analytics. Thank you so much. And of course, Philippines, sa aking mga kababayan. Mega loud shout out po. Thank you, United States of America. Kayo po yung nangunguna sa aking analytics. Kahit po na hindi naman po ako taga-Amerika. Pero thank you for the love and support. Thank you po. Thank you for being there for me. And it is a big help to my channel. Seeing my number one ang tawag dito in my geography, you are the number one, you are the top one. Thank you so much. And of course to the teams who hugged and embraced Ethel Alira, the Team LC, the Team Lapacherang Cusinera, and of course, to Team Daddy Frankie. Thank you so much po, sir, and thank you for always helping the needy people in our country, and thank you for not leaving them. Thank you for being so generous to them. And of course, sa likod po ng inyong team ay there's the Rise Above International. Ayan, thank you so much po, and sa lahat po ng admin and members of Daddy Frankie and the team Rise Above International, mega loud shoutout. And of course, thank you po sa ating lovely admin Lapacherang Cusinera and teammates, mega loud shoutout po. Chef Sire, Smiling Face Channel, Jamila Avalos TV, Tats Pusong Palaban, Chubby Meji Channel, and Agnes Vlog, Reyna ng Kabundukan, RG Banch Channel, Tata Oka Vlogs, OFW Official 657, Kahangaw Channel. I do hope wala po akong nakalimutan pa, and tao lang po ako. And everyone, kung meron po akong nakalimutan, pasensya na po. And sino pa ba? Anthony Adan Vlogs, and Kuya Val 214, and who else, guys? And basta sa lahat po, Rose and Maries, ayan, sa lahat po, Black Pearl, ayan, shoutout po sa lahat po ng mga nagsusupport sa aking Sweet Abby channel, Ace's Heart, Lauren, ayan, and sino pa ba? Sana nabanggit ko po, pasensya na po kung hindi po lahat. And then of course sa Team Mercado po, and sa po kay Ann Palmoria Vlog, Ann Palmoria Japan Vlog, yan si Ate Mix Vlog, Ate Fe Mix Vlog, and sino pa, guys? And of course po kay Munya ni Bakulaw from Japan, and sino pa po? And si Doc McKay, thank you so much po, Doc McKay. And who else, guys? And sa lahat po ng nagmamahal po kay Ethel Riera, sa lahat po ng community na nagahag sa kanya, mega loud shoutout po. And Sweet Charm, shoutout po. B. Pardo, shoutout po. Aling Rochelle, shoutout po. And Weirdo Official, and Tita Au Official, thank you so much po. And sa lahat po, sana wala po akong nakalimutan. And once again, tao lang po ako, at nagkakamali at hindi po perfecto. So ayan, so sana wala na po akong nakalimutan, guys. And siguro meron man, pero pasensya na po kayo. Ayan, so salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal. And yan si Elvira Songgalia, si Nel Chua, Flip Rocks, maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyo pong suporta sa akin. And of course, si Asian Nadian, thank you, shout out po. And sa lahat po, si PDV Walk, salamat po. Thank you, PDV Walk. And everyone po na nagmamahal kay Ethel Riera, whether it's local, international, thank you so much. And kung meron po akong na-miss, I'm so sorry, and babawi na lang po ako sa susunod po na aking nakakon. And shoutout po talaga sa lahat sa inyo, not just local but international. Ayan, thank you so much, guys, and that would be all for today. Thank you, everyone, and see you on my next vlog. Ayan. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy. Health is wealth. health is our wealth. Wala man po tayong yaman, guys, for as long as we are so healthy and we are so wealthy in our health, that would be the best thing, guys. Yun po yung pinaka the best. And thank you so much, and God bless you all. Salamat sa inyong pagmamahal. Thank you for the love and support. And I will leave this to all of you guys. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. Ethel Alira here is signing. I love you all, guys. Bye, guys. Mwah. Chup chup.
Let's make our colors blend.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to be updated on our next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Alira here is signing off.